I already had one box and now I have a second box. Oh. Ah, Blackstar. Today I'm going to show you what I think is a great beginner's amp. I walked into Muziekhandel Oudenaarde and asked Hendrik what is a great and affordable beginner's amp which is also very easy to use. And he gave me the ID core. They have three models, the 10, the 20 and the 40. This is the 40 and I thought it was going to be huge, but it's not. It's very light and it's doable in size. So the difference between the 10, the 20 and the 40 is of course the volume and of course the price. Now it's a digital amp, so this means that 40, 20, 10, okay, there's a difference in terms of volume, but the goal is of course to use it at home. So this is the front panel. Okay, going to put it on. I'm going to put the cable into input. It makes noise. So the volume is on, what is it, 10 or something, so it's still okay. And this is what this is clean, you can see here, clean, okay, clean. This is delay. Okay. Reverb. There was reverb full on. So you have these modulation effects like chorus, vibrato, some kind of wah, auto wah, delay, the echo, and this is now reverb. So there's a little bit of reverb. Now, okay, clean, bright. Okay. Crunch. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay, this is crunch. So this was the crunch on the gain here. This is where you can really say how much dirt you want. Okay, what is this? Okay. And this is not very loud. I can speak and you can hear the guitar. It's great sound. Of course, this is a single coil guitar. With a humbucker guitar, it will be more. I'm very close to the amp. Oh, what is this? Oh, D1. That's more gain. Going to put on the delay. And now I have turned on the delay and the reverb, as you can see. Delay and reverb, and it's a little bit too much. I'm going to dial this. Okay. And the last one. And then you have this EQ, where it's a very simple thing. So I put it on 12, and if you turn it to 6 or to 5, it gives it a little more low. This This is too much gain for me personally. I like this. Going to put the reverb on. Crunch. This is, the volume is at, I don't know, 9-ish, something like that. And it's now my voice is louder. This is this would be my tone too if I want to study at home. There's also a foot switch, but I don't know where it is, and you can change it from 1 to 40, which is a lot lower in terms of volume. Then you have a headphone, and there's also a line in if you want to put a signal in it and a jam track or something, and there is also a USB to also put music in it. It sounds really well. It sounds really 3D. If I compare it with the old amps that I had, I mean, this is really good. And I don't have to do anything. There is no EQ, so I immediately have a good tone. The only thing that this amp doesn't do is play itself, so you have to use a guitar and learn to practice and play and play and play and play and play. And the better you're going to play, the better the amp will sound. And the sound in itself sounds great. Bye bye and enjoy. I am Peter George. Enjoy your fantastic life, you beautiful souls in this beautiful universum.